We just saw Professor Dave tell us what is rational, irrational. So use these examples to help you remember what makes something rational versus irrational. Remember, if it's rational, it could be written as a fraction, any number over any number except 0. All right, so today we're going to start with square roots, trying to estimate them. When we come back on Monday, we're going to look at simplifying them, making them smaller numbers. But today we're looking at, can we estimate, approximate to the decimal a given irrational square root? So what we're going to do is be using the two nearest square roots to help us find that answer. All right, so let's make a list of those perfect squares, because we're going to use these magic numbers to help us find not only decimal answers, but also on Monday, Tuesday, how to use them to make the numbers inside smaller, simplify. All right, so perfect squares, starting with 1 squared, which is 1, all right? We can also think of it as a square root. The square root of 1 is 1. Perfect square of 1. So what square root gives us 2? 4. The square root of 4 gives us 2. What square root gives us 3? 9. The square root of 9 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay. The next perfect square would be 16, and the square root of 16 is 4. The square root of the next one, 25, is 5. All right, let's go up here. The square root of what is 6? 36. All right, go ahead, finish them all off. All right, there's all the perfect squares, and let's take square roots of the ones that I haven't done yet. So 49 becomes a 7, and then 8, 9, 10, 11 squared would be 121. Square root of 144 gives you 12, 13, 14, and 15. So you're going to be using these to help you estimate today and then also simplify next week. All right, so we're looking to estimate the square root of 50. So we're going to go up to our list up here and try to find where this 50 would fall in between what perfect squares. Which ones? 49 and 64. So what you're going to do to show work for full credit is write those down. 49 and 64. Now we're going to know that the square root of 49 is 7. Exactly 7, and the square root of 64 is exactly 8. So when we go to estimate this, we know that this number will be our first number as well, because it's going to be in between 7 and 8. So it has to be 7 point something. Okay. Now people are shouting out 0.5, so that means you think it's right in the middle. So how close is 50 to 49? It's 1 away. How close is it to 64? 14 away. So it's a lot closer to 49. So if we were thinking about this being in the middle, it can't be in the middle. It's going to be on the left side of the halfway. It's closer to 49. It's actually really close. So maybe it's going to be 7 points. I like that answer. Good job. 7.1. All right, square root 20. Again, find where it is between what perfect squares. So it's going to be 16 and 25. So write those down. 16 is just left of it, and 25 is to the right of it. Okay, so we know 16 is 4, 25 is 5. So we already know the first digits of our estimation will be 4 point something. Now let's look at the space between. 20 is 4 away from 16 and 5 away from 25. So is it exactly in the middle at 0.5? No, but it's really close. Maybe 4.4. I would even give you maybe 4.5. All right, let's see how close we were. May the math be with you.